Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about Leap engine. Now we will start video. Thank you. In Cfm Leap, Leap stands for Leading Edge Aviation Propulsion. Cfm Leap 1A, 1A stands for 1 for production version and A for Airbus. If Cfm Leap 1B is there, 1B in which 1 stands for production version and B for Boeing. And just like this, if Cfm Leap 1C is there, 1 for production version and C for Comac. Bypass ratio of Cfm Leap 1A engine is 11:1 and core compression ratio is 22:1. Airbus family aircraft dash number shall be A320-251N, where 251N stand for 2 for 200 production series aircraft, 5 for engine type LEAP, 1 for basic thrust rating and N for new engine option. LEAP engine advantage. This technology includes optimized thermodynamic design, higher bypass and compression ratio, advanced 3D aerodynamic design, and greater use of lightweight materials. The primary functions of the engine are to give forward and reverse power to the aircraft, to supply mechanical power for equipment or accessories, to supply bleed air for aircraft function. Cfm Leap 1A engine characteristics. Cfm Leap 1A engine major application Airbus A320neo family. This is twin-spool high bypass turbofan engine. The takeoff thrust is up to 35,000 pound-foot and the bypass ratio is 11:1 and overall pressure ratio is 14:1 and the fan diameter is 78 inches. The compressor stages fan booster HPC 1 plus 3 plus 10. It means the compressor fan is 1 and 3 stage low pressure compressor and 10 stage high pressure compressor, and the turbine stages HP or LP 2 plus 7. It means in turbine stages 2 high pressure turbine and 7 low pressure turbine, and the combustion chamber is TAPS. Second, it means second generation twin annular premixing several combustor and control from FADEC 4 full authority digital engine control. Now I will tell you what are the basic questions in interview related to this topic they will ask. The first they will ask in which aircraft you are working and do you have experience. Just like if you will tell Airbus, then he will ask in Airbus which aircraft. If you will tell 251 Neo, then they will ask what the means of 251 Neo means. I told you already in this video, you can check it. And just like this, they will ask what the means of Leap 1A engine. And the next question they will ask the number of train masts in CFM Leap 1A engine. And the second next question is in CFM Leap 1A engine, how many fuel nozzles are installed? And just like this, they may ask what are the advantage of using CFM Leap 1A engine and what are the basic characteristics of the CFM Leap 1A engine. I told you already in this video which are the important characteristics, just like the bypass ratio and the fan diameter and the how many stages in the turbine and then the compressor. Thank you for watching my full video.